My warmest greetings to our guests to this year's National Builders and Musliv Awards. Welcome and a pleasant evening to all of you. It is an honor to address all of our esteemed leaders and key players of sustainable development. While I cannot be physically present with all of you tonight, I would like to relay my heartfelt gratitude for all of your efforts in ensuring that we are taking the path aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Ever since I entered public service, building sustainable infrastructure has always been one of my advocacies. I believe that doing so will facilitate better socio-economic development for our people. Recently, our need for sustainable infrastructures becomes increasingly apparent due to the impact of climate change. We are experiencing cosmic events that hampers our daily lives. As such, I believe that our infrastructure should be sustainable and that it should withstand both human-induced and natural disasters, especially now that climate change brings unprecedented events. In line with the dynamic changes of our environment, I implore you to continue with your work on sustainable development across different areas so we can ensure prosperity for the generations of today and the future. Again, this is Mark Villar, your partner in sustainability. Thank you very much and congratulations to all our nation builders and Musliv awardees.